Homemade tips for feet. 1. Warm water before going to bed. Take half a bucket of warm water and add some liquid soap in it. Now soak your feet in this warm soapy water for about 20 minutes. The dead skin cells will become loose, which you can now get rid of by scrubbing the area with a pumice stone. Try to do it gently or else the skin will get irritated. Finally, rinse off your feet with clean water, pat dry them with a soft towel, and finally apply some foot cream or moisturizer. Wear a pair of clean cotton socks and in the morning you will find your feet in a better condition. Follow this remedy daily until the cracked feet are healed completely. 2. Drinking water. One of the reasons behind cracked feet is dehydration. This is why it is very essential to make all efforts to keep your body well hydrated. You can easily control dryness and dehydration by drinking more water. Make it a habit to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Water will help to keep your skin soft and supple, and soon the problem of cracked feet will get solved. Along with water, you can also increase the intake of fruits and vegetables having higher water content. Also avoid tea, coffee and alcohol consumption as it can lead to dehydration. 3. Lemon juice has a very mild natural acidic property, and thus it can be used to get rid of dead and dry skin cells from around your feet. Add some lemon juice to warm water and soak your feet in this solution for a few minutes, and then gently scrub the feet with the help of a soft foot brush. After that, wash and dry your feet completely and apply some moisturizer on your feet thoroughly. Another option is to make a mixture of lemon juice and papaya and apply it on the cracked heels. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. 4. Banana. Take 1 or 2 overripe bananas and blend them in a blender to form a thick and creamy paste. Wash your feet properly and then apply this smooth banana paste on it. Allow it to sit for about 15 minutes and then wash your feet thoroughly with lukewarm water and cold water alternatively. Soon you will have smooth and silky feet. You can follow this simple cracked feet home remedy on a daily basis to prevent and treat dry and cracked heels. Instead of banana, ripe papaya can also be used to treat cracked feet. 5. Paraffin wax to cure cracked heels. You can use paraffin wax. Take paraffin wax and heat it along with some mustard oil or coconut oil to make a smooth paste. In case you do not have paraffin wax, then you can even use the wax melted from a regular candle. After scrubbing the dry skin cells from the feet, apply this paste on the cracks before going to bed, then cover your feet properly by wearing a pair of socks, and next morning wash your feet properly. Follow this remedy for about a week or 2 to enjoy smooth feet minus the ugly cracks. 6. Glycerin. Glycerin can be used in 2 ways to heal cracked feet. Firstly, you can make a mixture of glycerin and rose water and apply it on the heels daily. When this remedy is followed daily for about 2 weeks, the cracks will start healing and soon you will have soft and smooth feet. Another option is to add glycerin, raw salt, lemon juice and rose water in warm water. Now soak your cracked feet in this warm water for about 10 minutes and then scrub the area with a pumice stone. Finally, wash your feet and pat dry it and apply some glycerin. If required, wear a pair of socks. Follow this remedy for a week to cure cracked feet. 7. Honey. Honey can also be used to treat cracked feet. One easy remedy is to soak your feet in warm water and honey for 10 minutes. This will help to get rid of the dryness, and your feet will become soft and supple. Another option is to make natural foot scrub at home with honey, apple cider vinegar and rice flour. Take a handful of fine but coarse rice flour and add a few spoons of raw honey and apple cider vinegar to make a thick paste. You can also add a tablespoon of olive oil to the paste. Wash your feet properly and then gently massage the feet with this paste for a few minutes. Finally, wash the feet with lukewarm water. 8. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly will help to maintain the moisture level of your feet, and hence it can also used to heal cracked feet. Before going to bed, apply petroleum jelly on your feet generously, and after that wear a pair of clean socks to lock in the moisture. Next morning you will notice much softer heels. Another option is to mix petroleum jelly with lemon juice together and then apply this mixture to the dry and cracked heels. Before applying it is essential to wash your feet and pat them dry. Follow this remedy daily. 9. Olive oil. The simplest way to heal cracked feet is to apply some extra virgin olive oil on your feet with the help of a cotton ball and gently massage the feet in a circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes and then slip on a pair of thick cotton socks. After 1 hour, wash your feet. Also, with the help of olive oil, you can make an effective moisturizing cracked heel cream. To make this cream, take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a few drops of lemon oil or lavender oil in a small bottle, and then add an equal amount of water to it. Mix it properly to get a thick milky solution. Now you can apply this homemade foot cream on your feet 2 to 3 times a day. 10. Oatmeal. You must scrub your feet every morning, with a homemade foot scrub made from oatmeal and jojoba oil. Both oatmeal and jojoba oil have moisturizing properties which will help to maintain the moisture level of your feet. Take 1 tablespoon of powdered oatmeal and add some jojoba oil to it to make a thick paste. Apply the paste to your feet with special attention to the heels and calloused areas. Leave the paste on your feet for about half an hour and then rinse it off with cold water and pat dry your feet. Follow this remedy every alternate day until the cracked feet are healed completely. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our Health 24 YouTube channel and press bell to more Health 24 videos. Have a nice day.